If I had to start crypto from a $0 in 2026, here is exactly what I'm going to do. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is True, and in this particular video today, I'm going to open your eyes to how to start crypto in 2026, especially when you have $0. Let's just say I'm back to $0 today. What exactly am I going to do that I'm going to get to this particular stage again? I'm not going to make this video so long. And now the first thing is I'm going to start looking for bounties. So what exactly is bounty? Bounties are promotional tasks you do for projects and you get rewarded for that. But the only problem about bounty is that it's not always available, and when one is available, a lot of people jump on it and it gets maxed out. Especially if about 500 people join a bounty and only 10 people are going to be selected, and it all comes down to how fast you are and how good you are. And the one thing I need you to know is that not every bounties require you to have large audience. I mean large number of followers. There are some bounties that need you to make video about a product. There are bounties that need you to write things about a product. And depends on the bounties you actually want to join. So examples of bounties you can join are Super Team NG. You can check them on X. Let me just bring it up on X so you can see. So right here on the screen, you can see this is Super Team page on X, and what they do is they actually promote a lot of projects and they post bounties on their platform. So this is their website right here, superteamng.fun. This bounties is a video bounty. This one is actually a written one. This one is hard. You can see, and you can see the pay in front of it right here. So that is that about bounties. And the second thing I'm going to do, if I want to start from a zero again, I'm going to start with Web3 jobs also, especially when it comes to community moderating. Yes, on Telegram and on Discord. What is the major rule of community moderating is to see the daily activities that is going on in the community. Make sure people that are asking questions get answer. People that need information about the project get their answer, and make sure there is no conflicting issue going on in the community. And the pay range from about $25 to almost $500, and you can even get some community moderating job to about $1,000. Depends on where you got them. So if I'm going to start again from zero, I will start with Web3 jobs, especially community moderating. And now let's go over to the third thing I am going to do. I'm going to go over and start with a $0 airdrop. I know airdrop is actually going to a declining stage and it's not really sustainable right now, but there are platforms you can actually check out and see for yourself if it's a project you can actually go for. So if I'm going to start again from a zero, I'll check out platforms like CryptoRank, airdrops.io. Those platforms post airdrops constantly, from retroactive, from Dex project, from free one entirely. You can start with that, and I can say out of 10 projects you might eventually see about 2 that actually pay. Also, what is the fourth thing I am going to do? I'm going to start again with content creation. You can see right now on this particular page I've uploaded more than 600 videos, and it has helped me to build a community. We are about 190 something thousand subscribers right now on this particular page, and on my Telegram about 30,000. So creating content and teaching people what I know has actually helped me create a community, and from there you can get brand deals, promotion, endorsement, monetization, which will actually pay you, and you might even decide to stay on content creation. And the best part is you can start with totally zero. You don't need to start big. You can just start with your mobile phone and data. You don't need sophisticated devices or anything. And from there, make sure you know what you're teaching people, understand what you're teaching people, and from there you can gather community. And from gathering community, you can get to a bigger community and invest back into your content creation. So from there you can do a quick research on the first video I uploaded on this channel and see how I uploaded it and what I was using there compared to now. I started with what I had then, and I invested back into it and got to this particular stage. So that is the length content creation can actually take you. If I am back to zero today, these are the 4 things I'm going to explore. I'm literally not going to take all of the 4 options. I'm going to explore the 4 and see which one I can bank on. So like I said, you really do not need to do all of the 4 together. You can just see which one you can go ahead with. I believe I'm going to scale up doing content creation more. So that is it if I need to start from a zero. I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to join my community in the description of this video and subscribe to this channel. And I'll say bye for now.